Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually am very excited because we are going to be testing out some very popular and viral Korean skincare products. I am so excited to try these out, and I want to say thank you to SNC for sending these products over for me to try. This video isn't sponsored and all of my opinions are my own, but they were nice enough to send the products over, so I do just want to let you guys know. SNC is basically just an online store where you can buy Korean skincare products and makeup products at a very affordable price. Like, I looked through their website and I noticed that the prices are like some of the most affordable prices I've ever seen for these products. And guys, we're trying to hit 11,000 subscribers on this channel, so if you're new, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna hop into the video, but before I do, don't forget to hit the like button. And yeah, let's get started. The first product I have is the Purrito From Green Deep Foaming Cleanser. Now this is gentle yet deep cleansing. Fresh foaming formula, low acid pH 5.5, plant-based natural surfactant, simple and clean ingredients. Now the reason I chose this cleanser is because I love Purrito as a brand. I used to love their sunscreen before the scandal. I just felt like the formulation was really nice and elegant. I love using that word to describe skincare nowadays. But that's why I wanted to try out this cleanser, and I used it this morning, so I will insert the clip here. But basically you only need the tiniest bit because it actually foams up so much. I was kind of like surprised because I thought at first I didn't use enough, but it ended up being more than I even needed because it foams up so much once it hits water and once you foam it up in your hand. And when you apply this to your skin, it is a very gentle feeling when you're cleansing your face, but you really feel like it is actually getting everything off your face. And then after I washed my face, my skin felt very comfortable. It wasn't like dry or like cracking or anything like that. It just felt so comfortable. But it felt really, really clean. There's no like film on your face. Your skin just feels super soft and comfortable. So I really like this. And then the next product is again from Purrito. It's the CENTELLA Green Level Buffet Serum. Again, I've heard so many good things about this on YouTube, but it says mild and clean ingredients, 49% Centella Asiatica extract, which is really good for your skin, and then some kind of peptide complex, which is again really good for your skin. Now as far as the formula, it is a very light formula. It's a little bit viscous when you first pump it into your hands, but once you like rub it into your hands and apply it onto your skin, it's very cooling and very lightweight. It will soak into your skin really easily and really nicely. There is a slight scent, but it almost smells like herbally to me, I guess, but it does go away also. So I like how quickly this sank into my skin. And I like that it has Centella Asiatica because again, it's really good for your skin. I've only used it today, so I can't tell you like the long-term effects, but so far I'm like very, very happy with it because I think the formula is really nice. It's not greasy, and it again just feels really comfortable and nice on the skin. Also slightly cooling. Next is the Innisfree Daily Mild Sunscreen with SPF 50. I already talked about this briefly in another video recently, but basically I love it. When you first squeeze it into your hand, it feels like a thick like cream or lotion, very moisturizing kind of feeling. But when you apply it to your skin, it's not sticky or greasy. It is very moisturizing, but you're not gonna feel like that it's heavy or greasy or oily or anything like that. I really, really like this for the winter because I just feel like you don't have to moisturize and you can just like put this on and leave. So I really like that, and I think it wears well under makeup as well. Next is this is the Missha Glow Tension Cushion Foundation. First of all, it's pink and so cute. This is in the shade Sand number 23, and it apparently also has SPF 50. I love this. Like, the packaging is so cute. You get a little puffer sponge. Mine is dirty because I used it when I applied it today. Oh, I'm wearing it today, by the way. So I'll insert the clip of me applying it so you can kind of see. I apply like to one side of my face first so that you can see like the comparison. And at first I just did like a thin layer, and then I added another layer so that you guys can again see the comparison between like just my face with skincare and then my face with this on. First impressions, I feel like it is very lightweight, and I feel like the coverage is a light coverage, but it's a very like glowy and buildable coverage because again I put on another layer and I feel like it built up really well. I like that it's not greasy or sticky at all, and it didn't feel like I was wearing foundation, which is my biggest issue with wearing makeup, is that heavy cakey feeling that you have on your face. I hate that. And this just didn't feel like I was wearing foundation or makeup. It just felt very like thin and lightweight. And then when I was done, I forgot to film it, but I was like touching it to see if it transferred, and it didn't. even though it is very glowy, it doesn't transfer and you don't feel like sticky or greasy or oily. You feel like dry, if that makes sense. And I just love the compactness of it all. I just feel like it would be so nice to travel with. I'm gonna go away in like a week, so I think I'm definitely gonna pack this because I just feel like this is perfect for traveling. You don't have to worry about it like breaking, like your foundation bottle spilling, and you don't even need to bring a foundation brush because it comes with a little applicator. I also think this is really nice if you're just going to work or school and you just want to like dab something on real quick before you leave the house. I just think this is perfect because it's like a light to medium coverage, and if you wanted to just do this and mascara or something like that on a busy day, it would just be so nice, and then you're just out the door. Oh, I love this. It's like my new favorite foundation now, I think. Okay, last is this. This is the Heimish All Clean Balm. Ugh, I've heard so many good things about this and I've been wanting to try this, like dying to try it forever. So I was so happy that I got like an opportunity to try this out, and I'm just grateful that I have these opportunities, and I want to say thank you to you guys because again, without you, without your support, like you watching the videos, none of this would be possible, so thank you again. But yeah, I actually haven't tried this yet because it's a makeup remover, and I tried everything else because it's like skincare and like makeup, but this I haven't tried because I'm gonna remove my makeup later today. So I will do that. I'll show you like how it works and everything, and I'm like the demo of it and then maybe tomorrow I will give you a little review. You might see a clip of me like with no makeup on in my PJs or something tomorrow. So yeah, but I have heard just really good things about this, and I will show you the packaging now. It opens like a lid, so it's very convenient. You get a little scooper so that everything is super hygienic, and then you just lift this up and this is what it looks like. It's just a balm. It smells good. It smells like an herbally smell. And again, I think this would be so good for traveling because it's not like an oil that's gonna spill. You don't have to worry about that. It's just like a balm. Okay, so I used this last night and I have to say I love it. I feel like it took off my face makeup really well. And I don't know if it was this or this combined with the foaming cleanser, but I felt like my face was just really clean. Like it almost looked like it took off my blackheads, if that's even possible. But yeah, I really like this, and it does remove eye makeup, but I wouldn't necessarily use it to remove eye makeup because it turns into like an oil. So if the oil gets into your eyes, it doesn't sting or burn, but it's like pretty uncomfortable. I think I'll just use it to like remove face makeup. But yeah, I really like this. I don't want to say that I'm surprised that these products are amazing because everyone and their mom has told me that these products are amazing, so I kind of felt like they were gonna be really good. Kind of knew, but I am just very happy that I liked everything because I didn't think I would like every single product. And I am especially surprised by this because I got mixed reviews online and I wasn't sure if it was gonna be good, but I love it. It's I was gonna say it was my favorite of the products, but I'm super excited about the cleansing balm, I'm not gonna lie, so we'll see. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you SNC for sending these products to me to try out. And yeah, let me know if you want to see like more videos like this. I am trying to like branch out and make different kinds of videos. So yeah, let me know what you want to see, and I will see you next time. Bye!